protection, right? Protect from dangerous ray. Huh?
Yan po yung visual protection natin mula sa mga mapanganib na radiation.
What is it?
Ano yan?
Yeah. Magnetic field.
Magnetic field.
Here, north. Sorry. No. Here, magnetic field of the earth, right?
Yan po yung magnetic field ng mundo natin.
North and south.
Sa hilaga at timog.